This is a video tour of the house on 154 Westover Street in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Down the street on South Westover, we have trail access to the Dolph Nature area and the Sister Lakes. And then going north on Westover, you have access to Jackson Road, which is a straight shot to downtown Ann Arbor. And there are also I-94 exits within minutes. So we'll go ahead and walk into the front entrance. There's a 2-car garage. Front porch. Once you open the door, you have the family room or the living room. There is also a closet in this hallway for coats and shoes. We also have the stairwell leading up to the second floor. Down the hallway, there is a half bath on the first floor. And then this hallway leads into the kitchen. From the kitchen, there is also access to the garage. This is a 2-car garage. There is also access from the kitchen to the deck. And I will go out here in a little bit and show you the deck a little bit more. So now we're going to go ahead and head upstairs to the second floor. And on the second floor, we have a full bathroom, a shower and a bath. And then this is the master bedroom. And the master bedroom has its own private bath. His and her sinks. And a shower. There is also a walk-in closet. And then down the hall from the master bedroom, there are 2 additional rooms. We have a linen closet in this hallway. And then here is one of the bedrooms. Also has a closet. And then the second bedroom is currently my husband's office. He's working right now.
Give me a second, Terry.
This office also has a closet. Okay, we're going to go ahead and walk back down the stairwell into our walkout basement. These are the stairwell to the walkout basement. We are currently using this walkout basement as an additional family room. There is a additional storage area in here that has a workbench, and it also includes our sump pump. And then the walkout basement also features the laundry room. And then the furnace is also located, and water heater within the laundry room. Okay, and then from here you can walk out into the backyard. And then there is a walkway, a mulched walkway that leads around to the house. You can get a view of the back of the house as well. Move back a little further. We'll head back to that mulched walkway. Which also leads to the deck. And back around to the front of the house as well. It's our air conditioning unit. It's a newer unit, installed in 2019. And then here are some stairs that lead up to the deck. And then back in through the house. This concludes the video tour of 154 Westover Street.